What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kia here, and I'm back with another freaking video. So today, in this video, right here, as you can see, I have an air horn, and I'm gonna be pranking my boyfriend. I'm gonna actually spray this really loud in his ear when he's sleeping. So y'all stay tuned. Honestly, I don't know if I should do it while he's sleeping or he's playing a game. What do you guys think? Leave the comments down below. I think it would be more funny if he was sleeping and I come in the room and just randomly spray it. I don't know. I guess I'll figure out what I'm gonna do tonight. Or I might do when he playing Fortnite, because he loves playing Fortnite. So I might just do that. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you leave your comments down below. Make sure you hit that bell notification every time I post a video. As you can see, I'm in Walmart. And honestly, it's so awkward filming in here because people's like staring at me, thinking I'm talking to myself. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you know every time I post a video. Yeah, if I don't keep looking around because I'm walking in Walmart and walking back and forth, so it's freaking awkward. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure I hide the warehouse so good so he won't notice. I should show you guys. I hide it right under here, so he won't be suspicious when I do self checkout and like buy it. Guys, he woke up, so now I gotta pretend like I'm sitting outside or something. Y'all, somebody called him and woke him up. So now he's I'm waiting for him to lay back down, and then he woke up. I threw away the paper so fast. He was a little bit suspicious, but then I played off real good. I was like, oh no, it's just trash in the bathroom. But I like threw the air horn behind. I'm sure you guys.
Additional pages of rewards to choose from. Collect all of the rewards on a page to gain access to the locked rewards. If you haven't purchased Battle Pass, you'll still be able to claim free pass rewards.
So guys, change your plans. So he's already up. He's walking the dog. So when he walked the door, the spray is right here. So guys, I'm waiting for him to come right now. I think he's coming right now. I think he's coming right now. I was trying to like blow hard when you walked to the store.